Everyone, today we will see how you can convert your VS Code into cursor with just one extension. So we will go to the extension section of the VS Code and type Cline. You will see this package or the extension over here, that is Cline. Install it, and after installation you will find this Cline in the left sidebar of the VS Code. If you don't see that over there, then you might see these three buttons. If you have a lot of extension, then you will see these three buttons. Here you will find Climb. Click on that. Go to the settings. So here we have to pass the API key of the Google Gemini. So Google is the only one AI provider right now who is providing us the free API keys. So we will give the API key of the Gemini over here. I will show you how you can get the API key of Gemini. So go to the Google Chrome and type Gemini API. You will see the first option. Go to that Google Gemini API. Then get started, and you will see this pop up over here. If not, then just accept it. Then click over here API key, and then on the right side, top right side, you will see create API key. Click on that. It will take some time to create API key. You can see I got this API key, and then just click on this copy button. Go back to the VS Code, and in here choose this Gemini provider, or yeah, Gemini provider. And if you have any other API key of any of these providers, then you can choose them. Most of the time you will choose the Gemini if you are using the free version. Otherwise you can find other providers as well. So now I'll go to the Google Gemini and click on this, and then the API, provide the API key, and then done. So now your VS Code also have an AI agent. So uh, go to this auto approval and enable all these and give the permission of all these actions. So whenever you will give any command, it will automatically give the approval for the few steps, and then click on the cross. Maybe you can try writing anything, whatever the app you want to create. Maybe let's try creating a to-do app. I'll try to give a simple app. As you can see in the right side, it has started writing the code. So we got the HTML. Now it is writing CSS. Now it is building the logic of the app and the JavaScript. I think the app is done. So let's try and check if it is working fine or not. If I can open from here, otherwise I have to open the app or the preview maybe. No. So let's open this in Finder. And let's check into the Chrome maybe. As you can see, the app is working perfectly fine. That's all in this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please do like and subscribe.